Good morning all to my viewer and my dear students. So let's start today the next part of this chapter, that is spermatogenesis. That is the word spermatogenesis. You know one that thinks that. So last class we discussed about the male reproductive systems and what the organs, that is the male reproductive system, involves. So today let's start the next part of this chapter. So that is the spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis means the process in formation of sperm, that is called what, spermatogenesis. And how does sperm form and where the sperm form? So let's think about that. So generally the sperm is the haploid gametes and that is formed in the seminiferous tubules. So that is called the word spermatogenesis. That is called the word spermatogenesis. And generally the inner wall of seminiferous tubules contain two type of germ cells. So generally in the seminiferous tubule there are two type of cells that's present. That is, one is the germ cells, another is the Sertoli cells. And I already told that germ cell function is the formation of what, that is the male gamete, that is the sperm, and the Sertoli cell formation is the word, that is the nourishment to the sperm or developing of the sperm. So how the process takes place, and how the formation of sperm. So let's knowing that. So spermatogenesis takes place the two stage. One is the spermatogenesis, another is the spermiogenesis. So two things is given here. Just a minute. Sorry. So generally the spermogenesis takes place the two stages. इसमें दो stage होता है. What are the two stages? One is the word. The one is the spermatogenesis, another is the spermiogenesis. Another is the first is spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis means the process of formation of sperm, that is called spermatogenesis. And spermiogenesis means the removal of the sperm from the male reproductive system toward the outside, that is called the what? Spermiogenesis. That is the insemination, that is the removal of the sperm, that is called spermiogenesis. So how it takes place? Let's doing that. So here is the given the figure of that the spermiogenesis. I already told that what is the spermatogenesis. In the process of formation of spermatid or the sperm, that is called the spermiogenesis, and that is spermatogenesis or spermiogenesis. So it is include the how many stage? It is include the three stage. One second, just a minute. Yes. So generally they complete the two phases. One is the multiplication phase and there is the growth phase. They are the two phase including the spermatogenesis or spermiogenesis. So let's this multiple phase. What is the happening of multiple phase? The phase of spermatoid cells undergoes repeated mitotic division to form a large number of diploid spermatogonial cells. So first which cell is formed? First from the spermatogonial cells. So look at here. So generally so here is the spermatogenesis that is given, that is the word. The spermatogonium, okay, first mitosis, first takes place which division, that is the mitosis division to form the word spermatogonia. तो पहले कौन सा division होता है? Mitosis division to form the spermatogonia. और उस stage को कौन सा phase कहते हैं? That phase is called the multiplication phase. That phase is the word multiplication phase. तो देखिए यहाँ पे twin number of spermatogoniums, they are from the again twin number, and two dot mitotic division में two cells हुआ and two से another mitotic division that form the word, that is the another two, that is four cells form, and that is called spermatogonia. तो यहाँ तक formation को क्या कहते हैं? That is called multiple phase, multiplication phase. Then after that the spermatogonia having the cell growth to form the what? Primary spermatocytes. क्या form करेगा? Primary spermatocytes. And that is phase is called the growth phase. तो उस phase को क्या कहते हैं? Growth phase. So first is the spermatogonia phase, the multiplication phase, and after the multiplication phase, the second phase is start, that is called growth phase. उस phase को क्या कहते हैं? That is phase is called the what? Growth phase. So what happens in growth phase? Let's know about that. So generally the first that is the primary spermatocyte form. Then after that again meiosis division. तो इसके बाद कौन सा division होगा यहाँ पे? meiosis division. Which division takes place? That meiosis division. So in meiosis division to form the word secondary spermatocyte. कौन क्या form करेगा? That form the word secondary spermatocyte. And again this secondary spermatocyte form the word that is spermatid. क्या form करेगा? That is form spermatids. And the spermatids, that is meiosis 2. After the meiosis 2, that division that form the word spermatids. And then the spermatid develop into the word spermatozoa. This is the last stage of that. That is the process of spermatogenesis, the development of sperm or spermatozoa. That is called the word. That is the spermatogenesis. तो यहाँ पे देखिए तो पहले क्या हुआ? So again I am telling that the spermatogonium is the present in the is that is the seminiferous tubules that divide to that the mitosis division to form the what? Spermatogonia. And spermatogonia is the development is called the what? That is called multiplication phase. After the multiplication phase, the next phase is start, that is the growth phase. And in growth phase what happens? That growth phase this primary spermatocyte form. First division होके क्या form करेगा? Primary spermatocytes. Then again meiosis division 1 to form the secondary spermatocytes. And then again meiosis 2 to division what? Spermatid. And each spermatid, that is the 4 number spermatid from the word the spermatozoa or sperm. तो यहाँ पे देखिए मल्टीप्लिकेशन फेज में कौन सा डिवीजन हुआ? दैट इज सेल डिवीजन, माइटोसिस डिवीजन. और ग्रोथ फेज में कौन सा डिवीजन हुआ? दैट इज द मेयोसिस 1 एंड मेयोसिस 2. तो इस तरह से ये डिवीजन प्रोसेस होता है इन केसेस ऑफ व्हाट? द स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस. तो अगेन यहाँ पे ही दिया है द स्पर्मेटोगोनियम. तो यहाँ पे फॉर्म हुआ दिस फोर आर द वर्ड स्पर्मेटोगोनिया. इस स्पर्मेटोगोनिया में कोई भी स्पर्मेटोगोनिया ग्रोथ फेज में एंटर करेगा तो फॉर्म द वर्ड दैट इज फॉर्म द फर्स्ट प्राइमरी oocyte, फर्स्ट प्राइमरी oocyte. Then after the second primary oocyte, and after the second primary oocyte that forms the spermatid, the 4 number of spermatid. And each spermatid that form the word that is one sperm. तो यहाँ पे देखिए one sperm और spermatozoa form करते हैं. तो ये क्या है? The process of what? The spermatogenesis. Then come to the next page. Next is the maturation phase. तो maturation phase में जो what happens? The maturation phase में मैं कही थी the diploid spermatocytes they undergoes meiosis division to form the in the formation of two haploid cell called the spermatocytes, and this the later undergoes second meiotic division to form the produce haploid spermatid. तो इस स्टेज को क्या कहते हैं? मैच्यूरेशन फेज. तो मैं आपको तीन फेज बता रही हूँ अभी. द फर्स्ट फेज इज द वर्ड दैट इज द मल्टीप्लिकेशन फेज. सेकेंड फेज इज द वर्ड द सेकेंड फेज इज द ग्रोथ फेज. And the third phase is that the third phase is the maturation phase. And next is the spermatogenesis. तो तीन फेज में इसमें कंप्लीट होता है. तो फर्स्ट इज द तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक होगा दिस इज द ये स्पर्मेटोगोनिया तक होगा आपका मल्टीप्लिकेशन फेज. देन प्राइमरी oocyte एंड सेकेंडरी oocyte फॉर्म होगा. यहाँ तक होगा आप लोग का कौन सा फेज? दैट इज द ग्रोथ फेज. एंड आफ्टर द सेकेंडरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट फॉर्म द प्राइमरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट फॉर्म होने के बाद सेकेंडरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट और स्पर्मेटिक होगा. दैट इज कॉल्ड द मैच्यूरेशन फेज. ये तीन फेज में कंप्लीट होता है दैट स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस. सो नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज द वर्ड स्पर्मियोजेनेसिस. नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज द वर्ड स्पर्मियोजेनेसिस. तो मैं कही थी अभी कि द प्रोसेस ऑफ स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस कंप्लीट द टू स्टेज. वन इज द स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस एंड सेकंड इज द स्पर्मियोजेनेसिस. स्पर्मियोजेनेसिस मींस the removal or the formation of inactive non-motile sperm into the active motile spermatozoa. जो spermiogenesis means the formations of in non-motile spermatid to form the active motile spermatid or spermatozoa, that is called the word spermiogenesis. So how it will be active? Let's knowing that the spermatid undergoes following structural change. तो इसमें कुछ changes होता है. What happens? The small Golgi complex fused to form a large cup-like acromion that is anterior nucleus. तो ये सब changes होता है. Let's knowing that what are the changes takes place. So spermatogenesis में the changes is takes place like that. The small vesicle of Golgi complex they undergoes cup-like acromion that is to nucleus, and two centrioles of spermatid moves the nucleus arranges beneath the nuclei of proximal and distal centriole. The distal centriole elongates to form the tail, and mitochondrial forms a large mass of neck regions, and the nucleus become elongated to the spherical shape. That is means ये जो second spermatogenesis में क्या होगा? The maturations of the sperm. The maturation means inactive that is spermatid they form the active spermatid. How that is the form? That is the inactivations of this sorry, activation of the sperm. So this will be held in the spermiogenesis. तो यहाँ पे देखिए कैसे जो बताया है. So ये देखिए ये है आपका spermatid. Okay, the spermatogen, the Golgi apparatus that is from the acrosomal vesicles. We have two centrals. कितना second step में क्या हो, two centrals. यहाँ पे एक two centrals. So उसमें से one central is the proximal and other distal. Proximal तो सामने रहेगा और एक distal रहेगा. तो that is the from the proximal end, that is the formation of the tail region. So यहाँ पे क्या होगा, tail region, that is flagellums. And after that what happens, tail regions, then the microtubules are elongated. ये flagellum क्या होगा, they have elongated. fourth step में elongated होगा. fifth step में क्या होगा, जो upper part है that is from the acrosome, that is the acrosomes and nucleus. That acrosome means the cap of the sperm, that is called acrosomes, and that in the nucleus and elongated, and this is from the what, mitochondrial space, the excessive cytoplasm, and this is the mitochondrial space is the form. Then after that the elongation tail and the middle piece head. So this is the mature sperm is formed. तो ये mature sperm जो form हो जाएगा, that is the inactive. This is the inactive non-motile form too. It is the now from the one motile form. So ये जो सारा stage इसमें complete हुआ है, that is called spermiogenesis. तो इसमें क्या कहते हैं, spermiogenesis. The two different things, spermatogenesis and spermiogenesis. Two are two different things. Spermatogenesis means the formations of the spermatid, और उसे कहते हैं spermatogenesis भी कहते हैं. And spermiogenesis means that is the inactive sperm formed to the active motile sperm. तो यहाँ पे ये motile मतलब movement, यहाँ पे ये movement नहीं करेगा, लेकिन when the tail develop it has get energy to move, that is called active forms. तो ये that is called the what, the spermiogenesis. So here given the structure of sperm. So here given the word structure of sperm. So let's know what is the structure of sperm. So after maturations of the sperm, that is non-motile to motile, जब non-motile से motile हो जाएगा, तो let's knowing what is the structure. The sperm is the male haploid gamete. Sperm is the what? They have haploid inside 2n number था, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, diploid से क्या haploid cell हुआ, तो n number, that is 23 pair of chromosome is here. It measures that 60 micron in length. इसका length कितना होता है, 60 micron. This is the micron symbol, and it contains 3 region. इसमें 3 regions रहता है, याद आता है questions exam में. Write the structure of the structure of the sperm. It is very important questions that will be come in your, maybe come in your exams. So it is 3 parts, that is head, middle piece and tail. It is 3 parts, that is head, middle piece and tail. So this region is called the head, and this is called the middle piece regions. And middle piece region में another part is what presence doing that. Then last is the tail. So यहाँ पे the 3 parts is given. This is the first is the head, this is the head, and this region is the what, the tail, sorry, middle piece. And after the middle piece, the rest that is the tail region, that is the tail regions. Okay, so these are the 3 parts: head, this is the middle piece region, and this is the tail region. This is the 3 part main part of the sperm. So let's know one by one what happened the first part. So first the head. So head having the sperm having the arrow structure shape, that is large haploid nucleus. So head having the arrow structure of the nucleus, and the surface of the head anteriorly covered by a cap-like structure that is called acrosome. आता है question, what is the head of the sperm is called the what, that is called acrosome. And what is the function of acrosomes? The acrosome function is that is the form the complex in contain the lytic enzymes. ये क्या contain करता है, lytic enzymes to dissolve the egg membrane during fertilization. तो during fertilization में how the egg dissolves and entering of that inside the egg cell that has the what, that has the, this is the acrosome. So it contain the which type of enzyme, that is called lytic enzyme. Lytic enzyme is those enzymes the impress, that is the impressed to the cell wall, that is called lytic enzyme. The breakables enzyme is called the what, lytic enzymes. Then come to the next part. The next part is the neck. Next region is the what, neck region. Below the head a small neck present is called the contain the 2 centrals, इसमें एक proximal central और एक distal central. तो this is the neck region, ये above में रहेगा proximal और उसका opposite में रहेगा distal central. And middle piece is the distal central give rise to axial filament and there becomes the basal body. So middle piece में ये रीजन रहेगा। नेक रीजन में बात करेगा मिडिल पीस रीजन। मिडिल पीस रीजन में क्या प्रेजेंस है, that is the distal central gives rise to the axial filament become basal bodies। तो ये basal bodies फॉर्म करता है। axial filament surround a spiral mitochondria to form a middle piece। तो middle piece में generally presence of mitochondria। ये आपका क्वेश्चन आता है, what is the function of mitochondria? It gives the energy to the sperm for the movements, that is the energy जो move मिलता है, where they get the energy, they get the energy from the mitochondria। They get the energy from where? From the mitochondria। So the axial filament spirally coiled the form the middle piece। आता है question, where the mitochondria found in the sperm? In the middle piece region। Okay, where the acrosome is found? The acrosome found the head region of the surface, the tip region, that is the acrosome found। And what is the neck region found? The neck region found the proximal and distal central is found in there। Then come to the next, the mitochondria provide the energy to motility of sperm। मैं आपको बता दी हूँ what is the function of mitochondria। It give the motility movement to the sperm to the move in the female genital tract, that is helps in, that is the help of mitochondria। This is the structure of sperm। Then next part is the what? Tail। Last part is the what? Tail। So tail regions, this is called the what? Tail regions। So this is the tail regions। Okay, so let's know that the tail divided into the principal piece and the end piece। इसमें दो piece रहता है। The upper piece is the principal piece and the lower piece where the thin thread is developed, that is called the, that is the end piece। This is called the what? End piece। तो principal piece is axial filament surrounded by plasma membrane। तो इसमें क्या रहता है? axial filament। ये इस बीच में एक फिलामेंट, thin thread का फिलामेंट्स रहे, उसे कहते हैं axial filament, और surrounded by a plasma membrane, that is called the what? प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन। और ये जो ट्यूबुल को आप कट करेंगे तो 9+2 रीजन रहेगा। जिस तरह आप लोग साइकिल बैरियर देखे हैं, बीच में एक रिंग रहता है, चारों तरफ लाइन लाइन रिंग रहता है लाइक दिस। तो इसमें जस्ट साइकिल का जो व्हील्स है उसके बीच में क्या रहेगा? दैट इनसाइड दैट इज द टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ द टू सेंट्रल्स रहेगा और चारों एक्सल फिलामेंट इस तरह से कनेक्ट होगा। तो इस तरह से मतलब व्हील की तरह आप जब उसको ट्रांसफर सेक्शन कट करोगे विद द टेल ऑफ द sperm, so you like the 9+2 array structure of mitochondrial tubules और cilia flagella की तरह दिखाई देता है इसमें स्ट्रक्चर। तो ये क्या आपका पहला पीस जो है आप लोग का एक्सियल पीस, द एक्सियल फिलामेंट। एंड पीस लैक द प्रोटोप्लाज्मिक शीथ। इसमें प्रोटोप्लाज्मिक शीथ नहीं है, दैट इज नो कवरिंग ऑफ द वर्ड, the not covering of the any sheath is there। The tail is used for the swimming movement in the liquid media। What is the function of this? The tail is helped moving the in the medium of the liquid medium, like the female genital tract में क्या होता है? It helps the movement of the word, the movement of the sperm in that areas, and swimming the sperm, that liquid will be helped। So this is the structure of the word, the structure of the sperm। So next class, next is the hormonal control। Next part is the hormonal control of spermatogenesis। So how the hormone, which hormone controls how control the spermatogenesis? So generally में दो पार्ट पढ़ाए कि what is spermatogenesis, okay, and spermatogenesis में क्या क्या होता है। Spermatogenesis में two things is involved, one is the spermatogenesis, another is the spermiogenesis। Spermatogenesis में what happened? How the formation of spermatozoa or spermatid, and second part में ये spermiogenesis, how the non-motile sperm forms to the mature motile sperm, that is the spermiogenesis or removal of the sperm from the male reproductive part, that is called the what? Spermiogenesis। तो कैसे होता है? नेक्स्ट थर्ड पार्ट में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे हार्मोनल कंट्रोल ऑफ स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस। स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम में किस तरह से कंट्रोल हो रहा है, एवरीथिंग हमारे बॉडी में जितना मेटाबॉलिक प्रोसेस होता है, हाउ इज दिस कंट्रोल, ये किस तरह से कंट्रोल होता है, लेट्स थिंक अबाउट दैट। So first, here is the hormonal control of the spermatogenesis। The process is initiated at the puberty age। Puberty age means those age में जब matures हो जाता है organs in case of male, that is called puberty age। Generally ये 14 age होता है, 13 to 14 age। And due to the secretion of gonadotrophic releasing hormone, तो इस एज में जब फीमेल में 14 एज हो जाता है, व्हाट हैपन, इसमें एक हार्मोन सीक्रेट होता है, उनको क्या कहते हैं? गोनाडोट्रोपिक रिलीजिंग हार्मोन, GnRH, गोनाडोट्रोपिक रिलीजिंग हार्मोन। And this hormone secreted by the hypothalamus stimulate the anterior pituitary to secrete the what? Gonadotropic hormone। तो ये हार्मोन कहाँ से सीक्रेट होता है? हाइपोथैलेमस रीजन जस्ट प्रेजेंट इन द ब्रेन। So in that region stimulate the anterior pituitaries। जो anterior pituitaries है, एक posterior pituitary, तो anterior pituitary को स्टिमुलेट करता है टू सीक्रेट which hormone? Gonadotropic hormone। तो ये गोनाडोट्रोपिक हार्मोन क्या करता है, द लिटनाइजिंग हार्मोन एंड फॉलिकल स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन। तो ये दो गोनाडोट्रोपिक हार्मोन्स क्या है, एक है लिटनाइजिंग हार्मोन LH और another is the FS follicle stimulating hormones. So first the LH hormone. What is the function of LH hormone? LH act on the Leydig cell to stimulate the synthesis of androgen. तो आपका एक क्वेश्चन आता है, which hormone that act on the Leydig cell to produce the what androgen hormone? That is LH hormone. Which hormone? LH. LH. The LH means luteinizing hormone. And these Leydig cells have the synthesis of androgens. आपको कही थी लास्ट पार्ट में कि व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ लेडी सेल, इट सिक्रेट द व्हाट एंड्रोजन हार्मोन। तो व्हाई द एंड्रोजन हार्मोन सिक्रेट, ड्यू टू दिस जो हार्मोनल ग्लैंड है LH लिटनाइंग हार्मोनल ग्लैंड, ये उसको फोर्स करता है to secret that of hormone androgen hormone. Then androgen stimulate the spermatogenesis, मैं अभी बता रही थी what is the function of the androgen, stimulates मतलब उसको कंट्रोल करता है, कितना हो रहा है, बढ़ना है, कमना है, तो stimulates by androgen hormone. And FSH hormone, that is follicle stimulating hormone, that is act on Sertoli cell. ये Sertoli cells में act करता है, उसको वो कंट्रोल करता है to stimulate the spermatogenesis, कितना sperm उसके बॉडी में फॉर्मेशन होगा, कितना नहीं तो फॉर्म होता जाएगा, लेकिन एक लिमिटेड होता है। व्हाई देयर द फॉर्म देयर लिमिटेशन, ड्यू टू दिस फॉलिकल स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन्स। ये ऑटोमेटिकली अपने बॉडी में हार्मोनल कंट्रोल्स होता रहता है इन केस ऑफ मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम। से यहाँ पे वो फिगर्स में शो किया है, सो लेट्स नो दैट। So this is the hypothalamus hormone, hypothalamus regions. It is the stimulate the anterior pituitary to secrete the two types hormone LH, FSH and inhibition hormone भी secrete करता है। LH क्या करता है, Leydig cell को force करता है, Leydig cell to force to secrete what androgen hormone, और FSH क्या करता है, Sertoli cell को stimulate करता है to production the what, that is the process to stimulate the what spermatogenesis process को control करने, stimulate करने में ये help करता है। Then inhibition hormones जो है, दैट इज इनहिबिट मतलब स्टॉप करता है, कितना लिमिटेशन हो उसे कहते हैं इनहिबिशन। तो ये जनरली आपका LH हार्मोन एंड FSH हार्मोन दैट एक्ट ऑन द वर्ड द हार्मोनल कंट्रोल इन द स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस। सो दिस इज द लास्ट पार्ट वी लर्न दैट इज द स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस में हम लास्ट पार्ट पढ़े कि स्पर्मेटो हार्मोनल कंट्रोल ऑफ स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस। तो मैं अगेन रिवीजन कर रही हूँ, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द समरी ऑफ दिस। सो टुडे वी लर्न द वर्ड दैट इज द spermatogenesis. The spermatogenesis किसे कहेंगे, the process of formation of sperm is called the word spermatogenesis, and the spermatogenesis involves the where spermatogenesis takes place in the seminiferous tubules that contain the two cells, germ cell and Sertoli cells. So how the germ cell and where develop the sperm, किस तरह germ cell से sperm develop होता है और किस तरह से Sertoli cell उसको नरिशमेंट करता है, ये दो पार्ट हम लोग पढ़े किसमें, स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस में। So spermatogenesis generally complete the two stage. One is the spermatidogenesis and another the spermiogenesis. Spermatogenesis means the formation of what? The formation of the spermatid. किस तरह से spermatid form हुआ, by the process of the first the spermatogonium cell, and spermatogonium से mitosis division होके क्या होगा, spermatogonia, और इसमें तीन फेज कंप्लीट होता है। वन इज द वर्ड दैट इज द ग्रोथ, सॉरी, फर्स्ट इज द मल्टीप्लिकेशन फेज, सेकंड इज द ग्रोथ फेज एंड थर्ड इज द मैच्योरेशन फेज। So multiplication phase में what happen, the formation of spermatogonia, and the growth phase में development of primary spermatocyte and secondary spermatocyte, and last phase that is the maturation phase में how the spermatid form the mature, that is the spermatid or spermatoid, that is the maturation phase. So after that we learn the word spermiogenesis. So spermiogenesis में क्या होता है, how the non-motile spermatid form with the active motile sperm, किसका non-motile sperm में किसका फॉर्म होता है, उसमें हम लोग पढ़े कि किस तरह से यहाँ पे देखिए न्यूक्लियस, स्पर्मेटिड न्यूक्लियस फास्ट में सेंट्रल डेवलप होगा, देन डेवलप ऑफ द फ्लैजेलम, प्रॉक्सिमल डिस्टल, द प्रॉक्सिमल से किस तरह से टेल डेवलप होगा, एंड एक्सेस टेल डेवलप होकर एक मेच्योर स्पर्म में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा। तो ये आर द मिलियंस ऑफ स्पर्म इन द अंडर द माइक्रोस्कोप देखेंगे तो इन द इंसेमिनेशन द मिलियंस ऑफ स्पर्म इज द फाउंड इन द इन सीमेन। So generally ये है आपका स्पर्मोजेनेसिस, एंड आफ्टर द स्पर्मोजेनेसिस द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ स्पर्म पढ़े कि स्पर्म में क्या क्या स्ट्रक्चर्स रहता है। तो जनरली दे हैव द generally three region, that is the head region, middle piece region and tail region. Middle piece region से what happen, neck and the mitochondrial sheaths are represent, that is the middle region, and the head region में क्या present है, ectoderm, nucleus, cell membrane, that is the centriole, that sorry, cell membrane that present in the word the ectoderm, head regions, and the tail regions also the three part axial filaments and the sorry एक है proximal end and end है एंड पीस है और एक प्रॉक्सिमल पीस है, तो एक्सियल पीस है, तो इस पीस में आप लोग क्या फंक्शन है इसको हम पता है। देन नेक्स्ट पार्ट में हम पढ़े हार्मोनल कंट्रोल्स, हाउ द हार्मोनल कंट्रोल्स ऑफ द व्हाट द हार्मोनल कंट्रोल्स ऑफ द स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस। जेनेसिस। तो ये गया आपका टुडेज क्लास, दैट इज अबाउट द मेल sorry spermatogenesis. So last class हम लोग पढ़े थे the male reproductive system, and this class I learned the what is the spermatogenesis, how the process formation takes place, how do the complete the sperm formation. So thank you for watching my video. So if you like my video, just to subscribe, share, and to subscribe to all. Thank you. Have a good day. Stay home. Stay safe.